In this video, I'm going to explain how to create a list or an outline for your thesis sentence. So, a thesis sentence states the main idea and objective of your essay. And there's three criteria that will make a good thesis. One is to state the topic of your essay. Two, you need to make your argument or position on this topic clear. And then three, you need to outline what you'll say in the rest of your essay. And it's this third point that I'm going to be focusing on in this video. If we look at your traditional 5 paragraph essay that you write in school, where you have your introduction and 3 body paragraphs and a conclusion, your thesis should outline or list the ideas that you'll cover in those 3 body paragraphs. So let's say I have an essay with the topic of moving away to college, and that I'm taking the position that this is an important moment in one's life. So I might write a thesis sentence that says, moving away to college is an important transition to recognize in life. Now, this thesis sentence is okay, but what would make it better is to outline the points that I'll then be using to prove that this moment is an important transition in life. So notice that the thesis sentence will be at the end of my introduction paragraph. And in my body paragraphs, maybe I've come up with the topics or supporting points of moving away to college helps you come out of your shell. It helps you to rely more on your own faith, and it helps you to be independent and self-sufficient. So what I then might do in my thesis sentence to outline my essay is this. I might say, moving away to college is an important transition to recognize in life because it forces someone out of his or her shell. They must rely on their own faith, and it teaches them to be more independent and self sufficient. So you can see how I listed the 3 topics that I'll cover in each of my body paragraphs. And one important note is that it's a good idea to list these points in the same order that you'll discuss them in your essay. All right, so right there is an example of how you can create an outline in your thesis statement that will tell the reader each of the points that you'll be discussing in the rest of your paper.